Hi kids, in today's session we are going to do mixed complements. This is a whole new concept. But ma'am, you are telling me mixed complements, you have opened this slide of big friends. We have already seen it. Yeah, this is the thing. The concept is mixed complements, but our formulas are same. I will teach you with the same formulas for the mixed complements. But one thing will be different. The way we are going to apply it is different. So for mixed complements also, you have to refer to these formulas only. But the way we are going to apply it is different. Okay. Now different sources have different formulas. Some of them give you plus 1 equals to plus 9 equals some of them give you plus 6 equals to plus 10 minus 5 and plus 1 like this. So that is for me, I think that is complicated as a kid when I used to do that used to make things complicated for me, though it is the direct thing to do. But hovering yourself with too many formulas, that's not a good thing. So we'll stick to our big friends formulas only for the concept of mixed complements. Okay. The formulas are same, the way we are going to apply it is different. I'm repeating again. For mixed complements, we are using the same formulas that we did in big friends, but the way we are going to apply it is different. Another easy thing for you, only to learn for mixed complements, only to learn plus 6 to plus 9 and minus 6 to minus 9 of the big friends. No need to learn 1 to 5 and minus 1 to minus 5. Why? Because in mixed complements there are only plus 6 to plus 9 and minus 6 to minus 9. Clear? In mixed complements, we have only plus 6 to plus 9 and minus 6 to minus 9. Okay. And I don't think that you will learn it now because in our previous sessions, we have already done big friends so many times. So it must be framed in your mind till now. If at all it is not done, you can do it right now from plus 6 to plus 9, minus 6 to minus 9. Clear? In the next video, we're going to see how we are going to apply it with the same formula but different application. Okay, stay connected. I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, just drop in the comment section. Okay, see you. Bye bye.